million pesos, 8 kamag-anak.
Mr. Chair, Mr. Chair, excuse me, Mr. Chair, because the last time I was here, I was only allowed 2 questions by you, and yet mga kasamahan ko rito, bilang respeto sa mga kasamahan ko, they were allowed na 1 to sawa. Dapat maging fair ka, Mr. Chair. Pag sinabi mong 2 questions, 2 minutes talaga, you have to stick with it. You're not being fair, Mr. Chair.
I am fair kasi nandito ka sa...
No, kasi nung last time, sabi mo sa akin 2 questions lamang. Sabi mo 1 question. Sabi ko, tinitipid mo ako, sabi mo 2 questions. And now, pinapayagan mo kahit na ilang questions. Be fair, Mr. Chair.
Ping Lacson, 244.9 million pesos, 4 na kamag-anak. Mig Zubiri, 631.7 million pesos, 3 kamag-anak. Joel Villanueva, 49.5 million pesos. Kunyara maniniwala ako, 5 kamag-anak.
Mr. President, hindi pangalan ng kalye ang pinapalitan. Kaluluwa ng bayan natin ang pinapalitan. Na for almost 40 years, hindi ginagalaw. Na for almost 40 years, hindi basta-basta pinakikialaman. Bakit? Kaluluwa ng bayan to. Now you see, with your own eyes.
Cheese Escudero, ang pinakamahirap sa lahat, 18.8 million pesos, 100,000 pesos less than Rizal Ontiveros, 3 ang kamag-anak. Erwin Tulfo, 497 million pesos, 4 na kamag-anak.
Wala ho tayong pakialam sa batas na sometimes you have to bend the law to be able to please the people. Mas mataas po ang taong bayan sa batas. Am I right, Secretary Remulla?
JV The Good One Ejercito, 137 million pesos, 1 kamag-anak. Bamakino, 86.5 million pesos, 2 kamag-anak. Lito Lapid, 202 million pesos, 6